YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today this is going to be a really quick video. If you're having problems with applying eyeliner in your waterline or your upper waterline, tight lining, whatever you want to call it, keep watching. Now I've been on the lookout for an eyeliner that stays in my waterline, or well, actually my top waterline, because I don't like to put anything in my bottom waterline, because I don't like how it makes my eyes look. Like, it looks messy to me. But I've been looking for something to tight line with for the longest. Like, I've tried every pencil liner out there. Nothing has been working for me. Like, eventually it always transfers to the bottom, and it always leaves that stupid little black eye booger here in the corners, and it just starts spreading, and it's just like looking stupid, making me look like a hot mess. So, like, every waterproof pencil out there you can name it, I've tried, and it's just pissing me off already because I have a bunch of eyeliners that I don't fucking use. But so yeah, I found this product. So I actually got it recommended to me on Influencer, because I was looking for an eyeliner and I was asking questions about shit like, hello, like, I know there has to be an eyeliner out there that works the way I want it to work. Like, someone help me, please help. But so I found it finally. I went out and bought it because I was like, you know what, fuck it, I don't care how expensive it is, like, I'm going to try this shit. And I did. It's the Marc Jacobs Highliner. It's a pencil liner. It goes up and down with just going like this. Hopefully I don't break it by doing that, but you don't have to sharpen it, which is cool because I hate the sharpening. To be honest, I feel like it wastes the pencil because the sharpener usually always breaks my shit. I don't know why, but this one just, you know, you roll it up and down. It's like a gel pencil, so, you know, and it glides on like very easily. No work, like, it's pigmented, and they have a matte version and a regular version. I don't think this is the matte version, this is the regular one. I bought this one because I didn't really care if it was matte or not, because I'm using it to tight line. Tight lining is basically this. You see the black there under, you know, the waterline under my lashes. I just go like that, and yeah, that's what it does. It makes your lashes appear fuller. It makes your eyes like look a little wider and bigger and appear more awake. So that's why I like to do it. I usually like to tight line my eyes when I'm not gonna do the top line or the cat eye, because I don't have enough time, or I'm just lazy and I'm just looking for an everyday whatever look. So that's what I usually do. But I was having trouble with pencil liners, like, not lasting, or when I would apply it, it would transfer down here, like I said. So even if it did not do that, like, throughout the day, it would eventually do that. So it was just pissing me off, and even more so because my eyes, like, are really watery, like, all the time. I have allergies, so I'm always like, you know, it's just a hot mess. So this shit, let me tell you. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this shit wasn't cheap. Was not cheap. It was $25. I'm not one that usually spends money like that on makeup. Like, I'll have a couple items here and there that I'll splurge on because I really like them. This is going to be one of them now because it fucking works. It works. What? Look, I'm like scrambling. Like, all right. Anyways, when I applied it to the top, like applying my makeup, it did not go to the bottom at all, and like throughout the day it didn't go here, which was one of my main concerns, and it did not go to the bottom either throughout the day. Even as much as I've been blinking, it did not. So I really recommend this product if you tight line your eyes, or you put it even in your waterline. Like, it doesn't, you know, it just stays put, and that's what I needed, and that's what I love. Now, I know it's a little bit pricey, so it's something, like I said, you would splurge on if you get like a gift card or something like that. But don't just go out and buy it because I'm not telling you to go buy it, but I recommend it. So if you ever want to try something, that's pretty much it. Another alternative for the tight lining thing, because I know a lot of people might have trouble with like getting it to stay up there. Instead of using the waterproof pencil like you would think you should, use a regular pencil that's not waterproof, the kohl liners that they have out there in black or whatever. and then you take a waterproof one and put it on top, and then you set it with a black eyeshadow. It's supposed to work. I tried it before. It didn't really have so much luck, but it's because it got a little messy because it's a little hard to apply up here. Probably easier to do it on the bottom one, but you can try it out. So that's another tip for you guys for that. But that's all for today. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep watching. I'm going to come out with a tutorial soon and stuff like that. So bye guys, thank you.